Now that we understand all the 6 W's, let me kind of tell you something. I think I'm telling you which is extremely important on how you approach this trading as a business. Please read this statement, people. Please read this statement. Trading is not a hobby. Please read this statement. Trading is not a hobby. Trading is a business. Hobbies cost you money. Trading business earns you money. Now you have a choice of how you want to approach it. If you think it's only you are interested in trading, you'll end up spending money on that interest. Whereas if you are going to decide right now that you're going to take trading as a business, as a vocation, you're going to invest your money as well as energy into it, so that as an outcome, as a byproduct, you get your profits, right? So this is the time to decide for you on how you want to approach trading, right? Because when you approach trading as a business, you will look at it not from everyday basis. Trading as a business is never looked at what the outcome is on day-to-day basis. You have to run this business for a substantial period of time, at the minimum 1 year, and then see over that 1 year how has your business performed. And that's how everybody views the business, right? Nobody is going to see what was my profit this week. It does not matter. There are many businesses where profits happen only in 3 to 4 months entire year, but they still keep their business running the entire 12 months. Only if they keep the business running for 12 months, they get 4 months of profit, which will take care of all the expenses which was incurred during the 8 months and also make much more, so that net at the end of the year it's profitable. Same thing is trading as a business. When you approach it as a business, one, you look at it for minimum 12 months and you're going to look at all that you will bring in as an investment, right? You're learning. Extremely important. What you spend is not a cost, expense, it's an investment, because you're going to get a return out of that, right? All the infrastructure which you're going to bring, your laptop or internet and blah, 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 whatever that, right? That's again an investment, right? So you're going to understand these, you have to understand these facets when you're starting trading as a business, and be ready to invest and treat it like a proper business, and that's what it's going to go. So you're going to get those facets as well in DST of how to approach trading as a business. In our long-term program, we kind of dedicatedly help our students set it up as a business. So if you are kind of very sure of taking it that way and want to kind of make it extremely big and do it with a larger capital, we are here to kind of help you set that up as well. One is learning and also set and even manage it for you if you kind of wish that, right? That's what we kind of do for a lot of our clients, and you could be one among them, right? So right now, treat this entire activity as a business. Change your mindset. We kind of saw in the quadrants, right? Having a business mindset will put you on that aspect where you can be wealthier. But if you still approach it with the employee mindset or a worker mindset, your profitability is limited, and you are not even kind of looking at becoming financially free. So because of that reason, I strongly urge that you approach trading as a business. If you're ready to do that, type in the comment, I am a business owner. Type in the comment, I am a business owner. Congratulations. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.